name is Mary and Steve is behind the camera. So we're gonna check out the price of phone sales or again, what's your name?
Melissa.
Or again, Melissa. If you want green banana, at least they're not green, you feel right.
These are what were left after the hurricane.
You can literally see them here blow
They
down.
may blow down and mash up. So no guys, those plantains are the same. They blew down young. Cause them they never fit.
Them here young but look. No. So you can tell the difference. When you see the imported stuff, you can tell the difference. They look kind of special. They look false too. But you can see the difference. The Jamaica, look at this banana. Tell me now, a big supermarket. Look at this. No. This is the price. Oh my goodness. Let me look at the price of yellow yam. Look at the price of yellow yam. 1,319 per kilo. My merciful
Show them the
Father.
yellow yam.
Look.
Show them the yellow yam.
And people buy it, cause I buy things in here too, cause I don't have a choice. But no.
Guys, the one of the yam blow off of the tree, and yet still them blow off of the tree and mash up and them and sell them to
The
expect.
yam blow for the tree. Look how much for Irish potato, 1,319, and this look imported.
1,000.
Yeah, 1,319. Well, let's check out over this side.
The imported section.
All of this imported.
The imported section.
Over here, so imported. Grapes, 650. This looks like about 1 dozen little fluxy grape. This one, $1,115 per pack. Apple, guys, let me know how much you pay for apple. This is $329 for 2. This is about $2 US. A little less than $2 for 2. You buy one big bag for $125. When you fill it up. They tell you if you eat up apple every day, eat everything every day, because
So
here, 367. Two guys, them my hands so teeny, and look, they are teeny tiny. Oh my goodness. So I came to buy cabbage the other day, and one cabbage was for $1,700 and something dollars, and I had to resort to red cabbage. Can you imagine red cabbage, because it is imported, it's cheaper than
the local.
This is $304 for a quarter. So $1,200 for one cabbage. Yeah. Let's talk about tomatoes, guys. One tomato.
That's a salad.
This is a salad
It
tomato.
says import. What does it say? Import. Is it saying imported?
Everything imported over here, so now. 500. You can find tomato Jamaica local now.
Look on the melon, mommy. So the melon beside the cantaloupe.
Oh my goodness. This is melon.
Look on that piece there. Jesus
Oh
Christ.
my goodness. This young.
What's on the price?
$233. Oh my goodness.
My word.
And it's not like the supermarkets want to sell less than ideal items, it's just not available.
They want to sell quality stuff.
But the quality is just not available. This is from the US. This is a honeydew melon. 407 for a quarter. It is teeny tiny. This is cantaloupe. A quarter, or a little less than a quarter. 440. And this is from the US as well. Alright, let's leave foreign stuff alone and come local. What we would normally purchase local.
So what? So this is imported as well?
Yes.
Okay.
We have something Jamaican. Carrot. Four. Let me not say 4, let me say the weight. Carrot can be any size, right? So this is $518 and it is 0.3 kilo, less than half pound. It is 1,649 per kilo. Yeah. Cucumbers, 525 for these two. And it is 1,000. I never hear them price here for cucumber from the barn. 1,484 per kilo.
So this is not a kilo. This
No, this is 0.35, not even half a kilo. This is not even a pound. Yeah.
That's imported.
It is imported.
You see, that's what I said.
Yeah, baby. You want to hear how much for the unit price? How much for 1 kilo? Take a seat, guys. 4,000. You make me look good. $4,108 per kilo. This is 0.2 kilo, $920. My goodness.
So share with them the farmer's calendar. What is the latest on the farmer's
yesterday
calendar?
I posted a video on what to plant on what day based on the online farmer's almanac that I use. And one of you, that's on Farming on the Rocks, one of you made me aware that as of December 2nd there will be no more farmer's almanac. Of course I did not believe. However, today, which is yesterday when you're seeing this video, another one of you told me that it is no more. Now I need you to chime in and tell me why. Why are they sabotaging local farmers? Because
No, it's not local farmers.
I mean
no,
local in terms of persons, whether yard or abroad.
doing their
Persons
own.
their
Okay,
own
that's it.
farming. Because we rely on the calendar to plant on the right days. Because the farming, it just does not do well when you plant whenever you want to plant. But
Based off experience.
based off of experience. So guys, chime in and let me know if you know anything about this calendar being banished. We'd like to know. I am fretting. Steve mentioned this before and me run him down, say nothing can go so. So guys, wanna help me run him down. Moving on.
So guys, I am going to say something from from behind the camera. So I remember in days gone by when my dad would go to the market and when you buy the scallion, them give the time. So what they call that something there?
They married it.
They married. Tio, they married it. No guys, look at the price of time. Is it local, babe? It's local?
Okay, yes, so it's a product of Jamaica. And it is 3,299 per kilo.
Are you kidding me?
That is why I plant these things. I don't buy either of these. Now the scallion, oh my goodness, look how it looks. The
My
scallion
God.
is 2,969 per kilo.
Show
So
them
for
the
this
price
little
of it.
bundle, it's 439. So scallion on time, nearly $700.
So for persons who are familiar with what I'm talking about, where you would go to the market and you buy the scallion and then pop the thyme and put on it, just indicate in the comment section so me not feel like I'm me alone.
Young lemon, because these not right. See the price here? For half a dozen. It's right here. $749 for half a dozen. For 6 of that. You've got to be kidding me.
What is that?
This is parsley. Something that I grow in abundance.
Is it local? Is it local?
No, this is a product of the USA.
Oh, so it was not locally grown, guys.
No. So this is what I normally put on your pasta and on your white rice top. This is the garnish I use from the garden. It is 3,000. I'm sorry, 3,353 per kilo for parsley. So for this little bit, which is little, it's 221.06 kilo. Lettuce, come out for those of you who love salads. Come out.
No, but another thing as it relates to the lettuce, whenever time it comes to Christmas, this time of the year, you can't buy lettuce.
Usually it is pricey.
Very high.
So for this 0.1 kilo is 409, and per kilo the unit price is 3,299 per kilo for lettuce. Pak choi that takes 6 weeks to grow. Oh my goodness. 1,154 per kilo for pak choi. This would I never eat. So for this parcel, which is 0.3 kilo, is 374.
Guys, and this is locally grown, alright?
Yes.
So it's product of Jamaica.
It is not shelf stable, so this will spoil in transit. So if Jamaica don't have this, we won't get this. This cash. Murder. Kalaloo. Cut up kalaloo. I'm not seeing a price. Not seeing a price. Ginger.
So this time of year as well, guys, knowing that it's Christmas, the festive season where the sorrel can't taste good without the ginger.
Then I need no ginger this year because we don't have no sorrel. This year.
I'm just saying.
The ginger is 2,309 per kilo. Right there. So for this, which is 0.15 kilo, is 351. Bell peppers. Bell pepper. This one bell pepper is for 737. So Steve's brother absolutely love ackee and saltfish, right? So my plan was to cook ackee and saltfish for the young man.
He's visiting, guys.
He does not live in Jamaica. So I treat him to ackee and saltfish whenever he comes. And I came in here and I said, I love you, boy, dearly. But I'm not buying a bell pepper for $700 to make it ackee. So of course, I went home and I found a green one, baby. I owned all the old garden, I find one green one. I made my ackee and saltfish. I'm not buying one $734 for one bell pepper, no. There's a cheaper one. Still not buying it. $5.85. The green is usually cheaper than, because this green is bigger than the yellow, but the green is usually cheaper. Pumpkin. Now I have a tiny pumpkin vine that Steve found, and we're cherishing that thing because pumpkin, guys, it's actually not bad. It's the cheapest thing in the supermarket. 825 per kilo. You wanna pass, Mama? So for this, which is 0.5, which is about 1 pound, it's $420. That's actually not bad. That's not bad, guys. That's not bad. That's probably the only thing I would buy today. So, that is the cost of items in the produce section since Hurricane Melissa. Alright guys, I want to thank you for joining us. We appreciate you joining us today. And we'll see you in the next one. Bye guys.